Adjustable seat. Fold. Expand. And position. Spine rounded. Adjustable head support. Up. Down. Wonder cover bib. Embraces many different body types and lifestyles. Crying positions. Facing in for smaller and older babies. Facing out for older babies. Back carry for older babies. Let's try it on. Facing in position. Up, folded, expanded. Countered padded step. Click. 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 And positioning. Spine rounded. Facing out for older babies. Baby has head control. Down, folded. Snap. Click. 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 Can your child? Back cherry position for babies that can sit up, expanded. Countered padded strap. Click. 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 Back support. Flip. 4-in-1 convertible carrier.